Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. On this short video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create headings and how to use footers. Headings basically are used for titles, like this one we have here. This one's a heading I create, and a footer is basically for the page number, is this one. As you can see in this document, I made my heading here, and automatically it adds it to every page I have here. The same with the page number. I have page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. Okay, so we're gonna learn how to use this. I'll be creating a new document, and in the insert section we have these options here. We have heading and we have footer. We have page number. Okay, we're gonna start with the heading. If you click here, we have some headings by default. These are some styles that we have here already. You can choose any one you want. This one's my favorite. Here you type the name. And you can add more text here. We format this text with the option we learned on the first video tutorial. I like it like this one. Okay, one of the best things we have here is that we can add pictures. So I'm gonna be looking for a picture in Google. Let's see, I'll be looking for a model picture. I like this one. I simply copy the picture. I right click on the picture, copy picture, go to my document, and I click here, paste. Here's my document. Now with the options we learned on the last video tutorial, we can format the picture. We have the options on format and design. I'll be using format, position, adjust text. I'll be placing it on top of the text. I'll be resizing the picture and I will place it here. And when you're done, you simply double click on any part of the document. You double click, and as you can see, we could go create a new page and I have the same heading on both pages. Okay, this is very useful when you're working on a project and you're gonna be using this on your bimester project. Other way I have my favorite. I'll show you which one. I have an empty heading here. I have banners like this one. This one's the school's banner I created. I simply copy paste and I have a pretty cool heading. Look, I have the name. Okay. Next step is the footer. Footer are basically used for page numbers, but we can use it for something else. I'll show you now. We click on insert, we go to footer, the página. We have some options here. For example, this one has the page number included. This one has the page number included here, and you can add text here. You have many others. So I'll be using the first one. This one's one of my favorites. But you have more options here. Look, you have this one. This one's the one I use for Moodle, the guide on how to use Moodle. You have many options here. You decide the one you like the most. I'll use this one. And for example, here I can type my name. And when I'm done, I double click on the document. And look, we have my name and the page number. For example, if I create a new page, I have the footer, my name, and page number 2. Okay, we're done with the headings and footers. So that was easy. Next, we're gonna be learning, and the last thing before we're done with Word, we're gonna be creating tables. Tables are so easily done on Word. You simply click on Insert, and you have the option Insert Table. We click on here, and we decide how many columns, how many rows. I want 3 columns, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5, and so on. We can do it until we have 10 times 8. You have some fast tables, for example this one. You can create calendars. Let me show you. Calendars, subtitle with subtitles. These are some tables you can use, are fast tables, fast templates, but you can create them from zero. We're gonna be doing one right now. Let's see. It's okay this way. First, I add my titles, name, last name. This will be the first. Here, just an example. Okay, up here on the option design, we can change the table design just by clicking on any one we want. We have many options here, and this is one of the good things of Microsoft Office 2010. We have many options here. Okay, but I'm not using this. I'll be formatting by myself. So I select the row I want to change the color, and I'll do it with the bucket tool. This was one of my favorites. And I will apply this. I like it like this. I will add some text here. Oops. Okay. What about if I want to add another row down here? I have 2 ways. The first one and easiest, you go to the last part of the table here. I'll repeat the click here. When you're here, you simply click enter. We create a new table. The other way is we select the table, we right click on the table, we click insert, and we have here the many options. Insert a column to the left is this. Okay, in this case I added 3. That's because I have selected 3. For example, if I select 1 and I right click and insert, I will just add 1. Okay, but what about if I want just 1 row here? I select that last row, I right click, insert row underneath, and I have my new row. You can change the color, the text color, you can change even the background. You're free to do what you want with this. You can change color and all of this. You can change the borders. We select the table, we can right click, we have table properties. We have here many table properties. Okay, borders and shadows. Click on here and we can select the style and the color. Blue, for example, this one. And I select where I want them. Click OK, and I have my borders changed. Okay guys, this is basically all for this week. Remember, you can start working on your bimester project for October the 7th. I gave instructions on Moodle on what you have to do for the bimester project. So please read Moodle. Instructions are on Moodle. Guys, have a nice day. See you online.